Hi and welcome back to my cooking show. Today we're making a rolled pork spit roast. The first step is to pour boiling water onto the pork for the flavours to permeate. Carefully score the skin, being careful not to reach the meat.
And then pat it with a paper towel to remove the moisture.
Now we're going to rub salt through the pork. Now you need to cut the lemon in half so we can squeeze it over the meat. We'll now put it in the tray. Just remember with pork to keep your hands washed at all times, just to be on the safe side. We're going to drizzle some olive oil over the pork. Next thing we need to do is make the roast veggies. The first thing we need to do is cut them up. Try and make each piece about the same size. And be careful not to cut your fingers. Once all your veggies are cut, you need to drizzle some oil onto the pan so that you can put the veggies on. And make sure the veggies are even. Now drizzle oil over them again. Season the veggies with salt, pepper and garlic. We're going to give the veggies some smoky mesquite seasoning to make them a bit smoky. Today we're going to use the Bluetooth meter to make sure the interior temperature of the meat is correct. We've put the meter into the meat and now we've put the meat onto the spit. And we're going to preheat the barbecue to 240 degrees. We've now popped the roast into the barbecue and we're going to leave it for an hour. It's halfway through and we're just doing a quick baste to make sure there's moisture through it. Now the cooking's complete. Let's take it off and see how good it is. We're removing the rind to put it in the air fryer to be able to make it crackly. This is the advantage of being a cook. I get to eat it and you don't. It's really good. Don't worry, we didn't forget the vegetables. And look how crispy and perfect they are.